So one more project finished. Orma press. We removed everything what was here. Okay. Let's look at. Actually, we're feeding pieces to the press. Goes forward, and the most important thing is press cycles. We're pressing. Pressing in process. A lot of things was falling out. You can see. And some other things. Also like different manometers and now inside of this looks much better. I think better. Yeah. The control system completely new with some functions like adjustment for technical maintenance, like possibility to manage different things, different parameters, and so on, so on. So good luck for our new customer. Hopefully this machine will work and make us some profit.